אנחנו מטילים מצור מוחלט על העיר עזה. אין חשמל, אין מזון, אין מים, אין דלק. הכל סגור. אנחנו נלחמים בחיות אדם ואנחנו נוהגים בהתאם.
I came to tell you about our latest achievements. We have bombed a hospital full of patients, doctors, women and children in Gaza. We have violated all international laws, and yet no one dares to condemn what we are doing. Not only that, but we are also committing genocide in Gaza. We close the borders on them and cut off electricity and water from them and prevent the entry of medicine and food, and we throw all kinds of missiles and explosives at them to the extent that we bombed them with internationally prohibited white phosphorus. We practice all kinds of terrorism against the Palestinians, but we say that they are the terrorists. We control the media, we control the money, and we control the weapons. And the fools around the world believe that we are fighting